ये नफरत बुरी है ना पालो इसे, दिलों में खलिश है निकालो इसे, ना इसका ना उसका ना तेरा ना मेरा, ये वतन है हम सबका बचा लो इसे. Good morning everyone. On behalf of grade 1C, I welcome you all for today's assembly. Today we celebrate the day when our constitution came into effect and India became a sovereign, secular and democratic republic. Our brave heroes waged a valiant struggle for years so that future generations could live their lives with freedom and dignity. This is a day to celebrate them and what they fought for. Wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. Let's join hands to protect our nations from all the social evils that are plaguing it. Now, students of grade 1C will proceed the assembly.
Respected Principal Ma'am, Sarika Ma'am, Manveer Ma'am, all the teachers and my dear friends. I am Priya and I am honored to be your host for this assembly. As we all know, Republic Day is a momentous day in the history of our country, and it is a day when we come together to honor our nation, our constitution and our freedom. जान हमारा तिरंगा है, शान हमारा तिरंगा है, देश के हम हैं रखवाले, अभिमान हमारा तिरंगा है। छोटे हैं तो क्या हुआ, परिवर्तन हम ही लाएंगे, है, सीमा पर नहीं जा सकते, लेकिन घर पर रह ही हम ये क्रांति ला सकते। नहीं खरीदेंगे विदेशी खिलौने, अब हमने ये ठाना है, स्वदेशी चीज़ों को अपना बनाकर झंडा ऊंचा फहराना है, झंडा ऊंचा फहराना है, झंडा ऊंचा फहराना है। जय हिंद।
That on this day we pay tribute to the leaders who fought for our independence and the makers of our constitution who envisioned a democratic society for all. Let us take a moment to remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters and honor their legacy. Manraj, speak.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India and a freedom fighter. He loved children and believed in their bright future. And children fondly called him Chacha Nehru. His birthday on 14th November as celebrated Children's Day in India.
सुभाष चंद्र बोस एक बहुत बहादुर स्वतंत्रता सेनानी थे। उनका जन्म 23 जनवरी 1897 को हुआ था। लोग उनको प्यार से नेताजी कहते थे। उन्होंने आज़ाद हिंद फौज बनाई थी। उन्होंने कहा था, तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा। उनकी मृत्यु आज तक एक रहस्य है। धन्यवाद।
Annie Besant was an Indian freedom fighter who was born in London. She fought for Indian independence and started Indian Home Rule League. She worked for education of Indians and opposed caste discrimination and child marriage.
Sahib. Sorry. Sahib, wait. It's Agam. I'm so sorry.
Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a prominent freedom fighter who played an important role in uniting India after independence. For his strong belief and conviction in unity, he was given the title of the Iron Man of India. Thank you.
Mangal Pandey is a freedom fighter who is famous in Indian history. He sacrificed his life so the country can get out of the grips of the British. He is known as the first Indian freedom fighters, and he is also known as Nepoy Mutiny of 1857. He had a huge role in the revolt of 1857. हंसते 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 फांसी चढ़कर अपनी जान गंवा दी और बदले में दे दी पवन आजादी।
My name is Mumtaz Kaur. Aruna Safari was a freedom fighter. She rose to prominence during the Quit India movement. She was known as the Grand Old Lady of Indian independence. She took part in many non-violent struggles in South Satyagraha. She was awarded Padma Vibhushan in 1992. Mahal was known as Begum Afterward. She was a charming lady. She bravely fought against British. She was a great freedom fighter. Thank you. हमारा देश सब देशों से न्यारा देश, हिंदू मुस्लिम भाई भाई मिलकर रहते सिख ईसाई। इसकी धरती उगले सोना, ऊंचा हिंदरी बड़ा सलोना। सागर धोता इसके पाँव, है अलबेले इसके गाँव। Amazing! Thank you, my friends. Do you know, right? Today is the day when our constitution came into effect and India officially became republic.
Very good.
I must say, every Indian should now forget he is a Rajput, Sikh, Hindu or Jat. He must remember that he is an Indian. Now I would like to call upon stage my friends to show a glimpse of unity in diversity through a beautiful song.
Republic Day commit to pooling our diverse experience for the growth of India. On this day, the national flag of India is hoisted and the national anthem is sung. All the three wings of the Indian Armed Forces, the Army, the Air Force and the Navy participate in the grand show. We celebrate Republic in our schools by singing patriotic songs, performing skits and organizing various cultural activities. Now we would like to end the assembly with a beautiful dance performance.
हम लोग को सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल पर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी। अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जबर से हानि, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी। फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
Stage Mandeep ma'am to speak a few lines. Ma'am, please.
One seat. Just a few little things that I discussed with the class teachers. All of you, wishing you a very happy Republic Day, children. Thank you, Jamie, thank you. Yes. So the president unfurls the flag. Yes, Kudrat. At the Red Fort, the Kartavya Path. Teachers, I would want all the students to know this. The president unfurls the flag at the Kartavya Path at Red Fort. And who is the president of India? Yes. Thank you. Thank you. The Prime Minister is Narendra Modi and the President is Draupadi Murmu. Thank you, children. Dear teachers, I would want you all that the children should be knowing the facts. That's very important. So, you will all prepare a PPT for the 25th. We'll showcase it in the class. Thank you so much. The children were outstanding. One-day practice and it was very good. Thank you, ma'am. I will just leave the teachers for 2 minutes while the children are dispersed. Thank you.